in the UK at the moment, we are in a particularly positive situation despite the wider economic outlook, which is more challenging in terms of the market. But the market has been transformed. I think there's further pressure on trying to get the CO2 figures down, but it's become a competitive pressure. I think in the future, the uptake of lower carbon technologies, of which there are many different options, will be one that we need to educate the consumer around what their options are, that we remove all the barriers towards new technologies to become more predominant in terms of ultra low carbon technologies going forward. And I think these are the key challenges that justify still a very strong partnership approach, because not all of this will be in the hands of the vehicle manufacturers in the future. 10 years ago, when the Low Carbon Vehicle Partnership was founded, there was a real convergence of two agendas, which was reflected in the objectives of the low CVP. It was on the one hand about accelerating the uptake of low carbon vehicles, but at the same time trying to create an industrial benefit for the UK. And I think if you look now, 10 years later, much of that is actually in progress and is being achieved. We are seeing massive investment by OEMs in technologies, in lower carbon technologies and products into the UK. And if you look at our own SMMT figures in terms of the market penetration of lower carbon vehicles and their uptake, we've come a major way forward. So I think in terms of the agenda, it's become now much more of a mainstream agenda, what was set up 10 years ago. The conversations that are facilitated through the Low Carbon Vehicle Partnership, the shared understanding and the shared discussion put us all on a joint journey towards lower carbon transport, and I think that's been very influential and will remain influential in the future.